Menstrie burn in Clackmannanshire runs through the middle of the village of the same name, cutting it in two. It was thanks to the water supply that the meal mill was established, possibly as early as the 13th century, but only recorded in the 16th century. Oats was a staple of the Scottish diet at the time, and the ground down oats were used in the making the likes of oatcakes and oat bread. The mill also went on to produce made malt and barley, later used in the local distillation and brewing industries. In the 19th century, a woolen mill was established and made use of the burn to power it. However, it was known by locals to be dangerous following heavy rain. On Sunday, 6 October 1822, a young girl, along with her younger sister, wanted to get across the Menstrie burn. The sister told her sister to jump on her back to give her a piggyback across a plank of wood that formed a temporary bridge over the water. As they made their way across the plank, they reached around the middle when they met another girl coming the opposite way. However, the plank was too narrow for them to pass each other, and both were too afraid to return the way they'd come. The previous night, the rain had lashed down, and that Sunday a torrent tore down the Ochil Hills and into the burn, swelling it well above its usual level. Due to it flowing so quickly, the three girls began to feel dizzy, and soon all of them fell into the raging torrent. The eldest girl managed to get out under her own steam, but the two little ones were dragged downstream a distance of around 30 or 40 yards. Luckily, a young man was nearby, and he heard their screams over the noise of the raging burn. He spotted them, and thanks to his efforts, the two little girls were rescued. Although they were soaked through, the girls were unharmed, apart from a few cuts and bruises caused by being pummeled along the side of the burn. Without the swift actions and bravery of the young man, who jumped into the water without any thought for his own safety, the outcome may have been very different. Why the girls decided not to use the Auld Brig or Old Bridge on Ochil Road, dating from 1656, is a mystery. The Menstrie burn is well known for its flash flooding following heavy downpours. If you enjoyed this episode of Scotland's History, please like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching.